I've been up here at the ranch probably 3 weeks, almost a month, trying to get in shape to race dirt bikes again. Pretty pumped on it. Got good backing this time for the first time. Hopefully they back me the whole way through it. I just love motocross. There's no sport like it, so I'm addicted to it. I just keep coming back, and I just want to my goal is just to make all 12 rounds and just to see all the tracks. I've watched them on film for so long, I've never seen them. I want to ride all the nationals and go to every racetrack. What are my expectations at Hangtown? I just want to qualify at this point. I want to make it into the motos and then just do what I can in the motos. The deal with Yamaha Troy is I wore all their gear at the Winter X Games, and I just have to qualify out of the first 5 nationals. I have to qualify 1 time out of the first 5, and then I have a ride through the whole 12 rounds. I'm not saying I'm going out to beat Villapoto or anything like that. You're not going to get me to say anything stupid. It's a tough sport.